Zainab, as you know, and I'm half British, by the way. Yes, I did not tell you that in my last video, but anyways, I do sound like a little kid, even though I am. Anyways, but I'm really shy, as you know, even though I'm showing my voice. I'm gonna stop now because it's really awkward and odd. So, bye, and good night!